Hi, my name's Anne-Marie. I'm originally from London, but I now live in Los Angeles. I'm a behavior therapist for a living, and I've worked with kids for pretty much my entire career. So I ended up using Teladoc for a couple of reasons. I had knee surgery at the beginning of the month of February, and it was going fine. I was recovering well. I was doing physical therapy. I was riding my bike every day. I was feeling much better, but I still had some pain in my leg. And so I just kind of figured it was normal. I was having some symptoms and it was quite late at night. Basically, before I was going to bed, I was getting changed and I noticed my leg looked really different. It was almost like a slightly different color. It had a tiny bit of pain, but not a huge amount. And it was maybe a tiny bit swollen. It wasn't enough for me to panic. I wasn't like really concerned at that moment. But then I thought, maybe I'll just check it out. And the great thing about Teladoc was that you can call them in the middle of the night. It was midnight at this point. We weren't sure what else to do. We didn't want to traipse just straight down to the ER or urgent care when we weren't sure anything was wrong. So we called up Teladoc and spoke to someone really, really quickly, like within 10 minutes. And they really helped us kind of triage the situation. And they said, you really need to go to ER right away. And we were really lucky that we did, because I actually ended up having a severe blood clot in my leg and in my lungs as well. And if we'd left it any longer, then it could have been a lot worse for me. So the fact that Teladoc was there in the middle of the night at all hours, it's free on my insurance as well. Although I probably would have called them even if it wasn't, because just having somebody there, they're a doctor and they're qualified and they know, they can tell you, this isn't going to be serious or life-threatening, or in my case, this is serious and life-threatening and you need to do something about it. And that kind of empowered me to go forward and actually get the treatment that I needed. And I think that that's really important for people, because it's not enough to just Google your symptoms or look them up on the internet. You need professionals who've had all that medical experience. It takes like 10 minutes. And it could be a life-saving opinion, or it could just, make you feel more comfortable with what's happening with your body.